The chicken and zucchini salad is a light and nutritious dish, perfect for a summer lunch or as a main course. Ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, 2 medium zucchinis, extra virgin olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 clove of garlic, salt and pepper, a few leaves of fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, toasted pine nuts, optional. Start with the chicken breasts. After seasoning and grilling them, let them cool and then cut them into strips or cubes. Wash the zucchinis, cut them into rounds or sticks, and grill them until they are golden and crispy. Prepare an emulsion with oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and minced garlic. In a large bowl, mix the grilled chicken and zucchini. Then add the emulsion and make sure all the ingredients are well seasoned. Add hand-torn basil leaves, Parmesan shavings, and toasted pine nuts. Let it rest in the fridge for a few minutes so that the flavors blend perfectly. Subscribe to our channel to discover more recipes and visit our website for additional culinary inspiration. Serve your chicken and zucchini salad and enjoy a dish that's fresh, tasty, and full of Italian flavor. Bon appetit! With its perfect balance of light but nutritious flavors, the chicken and zucchini salad wins every palate.